Hello, my name is Muhammad Wafiq bin Muhammad
Hey,
Shamsuddin,
baby, your phone has been fully charged. Play it safe.
and my number card metric is 10DLS19F1200. Okay, so today our title is about thermostat to maintenance truck before start sending a goods. Alright. Okay, so number one is hmm, have a plan to combat brake wear and failure. And number two, do tests to avoid engine problem. And number three, prevent body problems. Number four, keep abreast of electrical system issue. Number five, replace part that are subject to wear and tear. Alright, what's supposed to mean of all that meaning? This is a main title of our stat. So we will detail. We go to detail. This is picture number one. Number one, have a plan to combat brake wear and failure. Okay, the brake failure is a common cause for accidents. Okay, which often result in vehicles damage, third-party injuries, and lawsuits. To avoid this potentially happen, be sure to establish a plan for having a professional service your brake as a part of your truck maintenance routine. The distance a truck can travel between brake service depends on the driving habits of the driver. Okay, so we go to the number two. Number two is do a test to avoid engine problem, right? Engine is a drivetrain problem will take your truck off the road faster than you can say downtime. So be on the lookout for signs such as excessive smoking, loss of oil pressure, or decrease in power. These are symptoms of an unhealthy engine and should be dealt with immediately, preferably by a professional such as Empire Truck and Trailer that can properly diagnose the problem and make appropriate appropriate repairs. Okay, so number three, prevent body problems. So in the picture, we need to look out our whole body of the truck to define as a good condition to starting our driving. Okay, so it's a major reason why some trucks are retired earlier than others. This meaning that all trucks have many issue and problem. So salt and other chemicals are common cause of result. This is you happen to drive area of winter roads, treated snow and ice. In the change of the hard trucks, body corrode, will corrode over time. You can prevent rust, but you can slow it down and extend the life of the vehicle by embracing these truck maintenance tips. So number four, keep abreast of electrical system issue. Newer truck are more reliant on electrical system to keep the engine running and peak efficiently or at all for the manner. For the matter, these newer vehicles use bundles of wire and many sensors to communicate and onboard computer to keep the engines turning. So you need to maintenance your engine in every single day, every single time. I mean, lesson number five: replace parts are the subject to wear and tear. Okay, the pictures of the number five is the parts of the lorry to maintenance if there has a problem. So parts wear out and parts wear out and you replace them, right? Well, maybe not. Truck manufacturers eventually stop making parts of the older models, like a Volvo and everything. So, and then you may be out of stock. So, if you good luck, stock still available. So, you need to maintenance every day. Right. So, next presentation.
Okay. Okay. My name is Ahmad Danam. Okay. My name is Ahmad Danabe Shahrum, and my metric number is 10DLS 19F 1012 1102. I'm so sorry. And as I want to continue the step to maintenance your lorry is continue the previous presentation is number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is the step you have must maintain your trucks. Number 6, can you see in the flood chart is the 6 maintenance of lubrication, and 7 is be wary of short trip and extend idling. Number 8 is oil regularly. 9, avoid diesel particulate filter clogging. And lastly is inflate tire to the right level. Okay, next slide please. Okay, that's you can see the picture who I would like to the detail to yours to your and number 6 is maintenance duration. That is what is the keep your truck lube using only high quality grease on the suspension, steering and drivetrain zig. Failing to do so lead to the perimeter where to costly breakdowns. That's mean when you done the maintenance your truck every single day, that's mean your truck can be breakdown everywhere because you don't maintenance your truck uh, every single day. Okay. The number 7 is be wary of short trip and extend idling. That means short trip and city driving are engine killers, and if you can avoid them, be sure to prepare for them. That means when you don't see your engines every single day, when you want to use the truck to travel to trip to another borders or another place, when you don't check your engine, that's mean your engine can be breakdown in the, for example, in the highway. When you drive the truck, when you don't maintenance to check the engine, that's mean your truck can be breakdown in the highway. That's mean it's very hard to say here. And number 8 is the change oil regularly. That's mean what is the on average engine duration occur every few thousand miles, and that's especially true for truck that are constantly on the road. Every engine wear down eventually, but fresh oil prevent that from happening prematurely. Oil undergoes and thermal breakdowns over time, and if a failed engine friction increase, raising the chance of the total engine failure or every expensive trip to a repair shop. That means when you don't to the plus the engine oil, or you don't change the uh, engine oil regularly, that means your your truck can be breakdown because the engine oil is not enough to the truck to the engine to use the oil engine. Yeah, that means your truck can be breakdown. Yeah. And number 9 is avoid diesel particulate filter clogging. Well, this is environmental regulation have drastically changed the truck maintenance landscape over the past 10 years. While emission control technologies such as diesel particulate filter, selective catalytic reduction system, and diesel exhaust fluid are good for the environment, they are expensive to purchase, install, and maintenance. The install and maintenance is around the 3,000 to 5,000. Just remove and clean the diesel filter by some estimates. That's mean when you don't install that, that can be environment can be pollution for environment. That's mean can danger for our health and for the living microorganisms in Earth. Yeah. And the lastly step for your maintenance your truck is the inflate tires to the right levels. Uh, it is the underfilled tires are ranked on the full effective and over-inflated tires are safety risks because they are more prone to blown out for the premature trip wear. That's mean when you don't have in the enough air in the tires, that's mean the tire don't have enough the air and that's mean let's say that you carry a good you carry a container in the truck when the tire don't have enough air, that's mean the tire is the pressure and that's mean in the pressure when it's pressure too much it can blow every it can blow up anytime that's mean can dangerous for the truck for the driver and for the environment the that's mean you have to maintain your truck every single day and every time when you want to carry the goods to the next destination or the next border. That's all the maintenance step to maintenance your truck. That's all. Thank you.